on number 1, they want us to graph the logistic function over the first 1,200 days. So our graph over the first 1,200 days is going to look like, if you type it into the calculator, and make sure to use parentheses around the denominator, then it should look something like this. And I also used 1,200 for the y-max. So this kind of curve is a logistic curve, and the logistic functions basically all look like this. It says for part B, how long does it take the tumor to reach 100 times its size at the time of diagnosis? So my first step would be to actually figure out what it is at the time of diagnosis. So if I do calc value and then type in 0, then we get n, or y, is equal to 1. So they want to know when will it be 100 times that. So multiply that by 100 to get 100, and then I want to put that into y2. So if you let y2 equal 100 and then do a calc intersect, then you should get 422.76 days.